Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products from the perspective of real-world usage and true performance. If you're looking for a reliable eyeliner that won't fade or smudge, then today's review might just have the perfect pick for you. I'm talking about the Benefit Roller Liner True Matte Liquid Eyeliner in black. It's been getting a lot of attention for its waterproof, smudge-proof formula, so let's dive into whether it really lives up to the hype. Benefit's Roller Liner claims to be the ultimate liquid eyeliner, waterproof, quick drying, and delivering a natural matte finish that stays in place for 24 hours. The packaging is sleek and compact, with a precise pen tip applicator that's designed to make lining your eyes effortless. But the real question is, does it work as promised? Let's find out. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to apply. The pen glides smoothly across the skin, and it's especially handy for beginners, as the angled applicator allows you to stamp along the lash line. This technique helps you map out a perfect line without worrying about a shaky hand or uneven strokes. I love the way it dries down almost instantly. No need to wait around, which is always a bonus in a busy morning routine. In terms of performance, this eyeliner does not disappoint. The black is rich and intense, providing bold definition that doesn't fade or smear throughout the day. Whether you're running errands or going for a night out, it holds up well in different conditions. Plus, it's incredibly resistant to smudging, even in warmer weather or during an active day. That means no raccoon eyes, no touch-ups required. Of course, no product is perfect. While the waterproof formula is a major plus, it also means that removal can be a bit tricky. I recommend using a dedicated makeup remover, especially if you have sensitive eyes, as it might take a little extra effort to get it off completely. Let's talk about value for money. At 0.03 fel-aughts, this eyeliner might seem small, but you really don't need a lot of product for each application. It's a high-quality, long-lasting product that works well and doesn't require constant reapplication, so the price can be justified if you're looking for an eyeliner that will get you through the day without worrying about touch-ups. In comparison to other liquid eyeliners in the market, Roller Liner definitely stands out in terms of its matte finish and longevity. There are certainly more affordable options out there, but the smooth application and impressive staying power of this eyeliner make it worth considering if you're in the market for something reliable and long-lasting. Now, if you're wondering about the build quality, the pen is sturdy and the applicator is precise, making it ideal for creating sharp lines. I've had no issues with it drying out quickly or becoming difficult to use. In fact, even after weeks of daily use, the formula remains consistent. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I've had no direct interaction with Benefit's customer service, but given the brand's strong reputation in the beauty community, I'd expect them to be responsive to any inquiries or concerns. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are some more affordable liquid eyeliners that offer similar performance, but the quality and performance of the Benefit Roller Liner put it in a league of its own if you're looking for that matte, long-lasting finish. To sum up, if you're after an eyeliner that truly lives up to its claims of long-lasting wear, smooth application, and smudge resistance, Benefit's Roller Liner is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, this eyeliner is easy to use, dependable, and delivers results that last all day. I'd recommend it to anyone who struggles with eyeliners that fade or smudge. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.